This is a time to pray and break free from every form of stagnation. If you have been struggling with setbacks, delay, disappointment, and unanswered prayers, may the Spirit of the living God bring you into a season of freedom and restoration in the mighty name of Jesus. Every invisible chain holding your progress back is broken today. Every power assigned to keep you in one spot is destroyed by the fire of God. May the Lord go to the root of every problem in your life and uproot everything that is not planted by Him. Every hidden battle affecting your destiny, your health, your finances, your family, and your peace